Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch special Android 9 Pie system special for Ford Fiesta. Okay, let me introduce it. It will come with special harness and this is small speaker and special harness with canvas box. This special harness connectors will come with head units together. Okay, let me show it. You can choose time. You can choose logo. You can check the setting. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change the Ford logo. Okay. Also can change this SIM color with any color. You can choose the gray. We choose blue. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Already show Wi-Fi. Let me connect SSR and let me check the settings. You can check Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi, and change the system. You can check MCU variant and CPU. This is octa-core, RAM 4GB. Model is APX5 rack chip. Android variant and Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Okay, let me back. Okay, let me check the settings. Storage. It's RAM 64GB. It's RAM 64GB. Okay, let me back to home. It's a Wi-Fi test Wi-Fi. Open the YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube. Very fast. And let me open one video. There are no sound because I do not connect small speaker. Let me connect small speaker on back head unit. Okay. There is sound. And the volume. Okay, this is YouTube. Let me put our website belsee.com. BELSEE. Search the Belsee in Google. You can check belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Let me introduce Bluetooth. It's pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8. Let's check. Let me open my phone. And please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. Click search button. It shows Galaxy S8. Click pair button. Your phone will get command. Please put the 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. Okay, it is connected. Show Bluetooth icon. Okay, let me make a phone call. Okay, let me stream music from your phone. Volume, Bluetooth volume from your phone. Stop. And play again. Okay, this is Bluetooth. All apps are here. It's built in Google Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. It checks the updates. Cancel updates. You need okay, let me show the music. You can check there two USB cable on back of head units. This USB driver, when you connect it, it play music automatically from USB. Volume. Amplifier. Okay, this is music. Let me show the video. Video disabled drive for safety, so you need to enable it on the settings. Check the settings. Find the car setting, drum setting. Turn on the watch video. And play video game. USB 1. Choose the Samsung 4K demo video. Okay. Okay, let me check this auto kit for CarPlay and Android Auto unit by CarPlay and Android Auto from us. Okay. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and hotspot. It's car settings. This volume, you can turn the reserve volume. For backup camera, watch video, turn on. This is for real backup camera. You can check real view, ruler, tracking display, X mirroring, and it supports steering wheel control. It's steering wheel control. Let me check the navigation setting. You can choose map, Google Maps, you can select it, and this navigation sound, you can choose the navigation sound. And driver setting introduced. This is how to restore system to factory setting. If you click OK, your system will be restored factory setting. All data will be lost. Okay. Then this system, you can change the language. Many languages you can change here. Click add a language. There are so many languages you can change. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.